With the advancement of digitization and Web 2 technologies, the world has shrunk a great deal. High penetration of mobile phones, advent of social media, and intensified digital networking has really made it possible to reach the last mile of the consumer in the true sense. But with this advantage also comes the over-enthusiastic marketers trying to bombard the audience with a variety of propositions and a clutter of communication. The smart generation with the smart technology and smartphones at their disposal needs a smart communication to be communicated to. Welcome, Smart Touch. Smart Touch, using the NFC, Near Field Communication technology, provides a unique medium to not just communicate to the target audience, but also fulfills the need for instant gratification as well as delivering the product directly to the consumer while payments are also taken care of. Let us see how NFC impacts the day-to-day life of the Kapoor family. The Kapoor family meets up every morning at breakfast. While each one of them is engrossed in their favorite sections of the morning newspaper, Mr. Kapoor sees an advert and announcement of an IPO. He simply taps his phone on the advert and downloads the IPO brochure to go through while on his way to office. Ritika checks out a smart invite for a fashion design exhibition to be held in the city at 12 noon. She taps on the invite, feeds in her details, and sends across for registration to the exhibition. As Rahul takes the public transport to his college, he looks at a poster of a telecom company promoting a new song for download. He simply taps the poster with his phone. A fresh and latest song is downloaded onto his phone instantly. On reaching college, he walks into a smart notes board to download the notes for the lecture he missed last time. Ritika walks into the exhibition gallery with Smart Invite. While walking around, she stops at a kiosk and scans her invite. Automatically, her photo is published on Facebook, informing her friends about her attendance to the prestigious fashion exhibition. Meanwhile, Mrs. Kapoor drops into the neighborhood supermarket for her household shopping. As she enters in the beverage section, her eyes fall on a smart offer on her favorite beverage. She simply taps the offer, gets the discount coupon on her mobile, and claims it while she makes her final payment at the counter. While on a lunch break with his colleagues, Mr. Kapoor passes through a car showroom. A recently launched sedan catches his eye. He taps his phone on the smart poster outside the showroom. A menu appears that gives him an option to download specifications, watch a video, or book a test drive. Mr. Kapoor taps on the test drive and books a test drive for the weekend. As the family is back together in the evening, they decide to have a pizza night. Rahul picks up the smart menu from Pizza Corner, taps the phone on the menu. Rahul makes the selection and places the order online. It has been a great day for the family, and Smart Touch just helped make it better. Smart Touch with the revolutionary NFC technology allows the consumers to access, download, interact, and even pay for the products. Using any available m-commerce services or mobile wallets, NFC will enable instant gratification at the point of communication itself, thus creating a new and potent media platform for marketers that not just takes care of the communication, but completes the purchase cycle at the very instant. We enable brands to customize the consumer experience and support them with relevant data and analytics to ensure an impetus to the ROI and propel business growth. It is time for smart communication. It's time for Smart Touch.
So here, for example, this was a scavenger hunt. This was done by a charity that said, look, you have to go around and find these stickers, and you have to tap every single one. After you tap each one, you get a run back here, and you win a prize. So that's a non-conventional, really interesting marketing idea. Here's another one where they embedded the NFC tag right inside the QR code. And this was, again, you see the bottom, solve the crime. Okay, so this is, again, a scavenger hunt done that made the news. So it's a cost-effective strategy, something that you could actually implement for your clients. Here's another one where this was done by HGTV. So if you ever deal with any publishers or any movie theaters or anyone that has video is huge. There's no better way than a one tap to take you directly to a video. So this was a trailer, this is a promo, and you can obviously have an opt-in depending on how you're building your mobile pages. You can also do wayfinding. So for example, you're in a shopping mall and you have a big, big one of those big red marks on the wall and says, "Where am I?" Tap here to find out where you are. So you tap there, and we know that NFC tag where it is, and you can have certain directions saying, "Hey, if you want to go visit this store, it's right here. And by the way, if you show them this screen, you can save 5% off your purchase." You can also do things like automatically share on social media. You can do downloads. So for example, we see again the old school QR code, but everything now is using NFC tags. It allows you to just have that instant gratification without actually scanning anything. It's just a tap.